TCO, we look at the return on invest, and how does that compare when you look at going the automation route versus the manual route in terms of TCO and in terms of return on invest?
When automation is on by default, you don't pay for it, you just get it automatically. You have to opt out to avoid, or you have to unsubscribe. No, I think the idea here is that you're afraid of missing out, right? So if you say, okay, I must automate or I will be left behind, either my operation cost will be too high, my labor cost will be too high, or I will be struggling to hire people enough and so on. So I think first of all, the cost of automation is going down dramatically. There's a couple of really important trends. So the Chinese are coming to Europe in a very big way in the last 5 years, and that has put a huge price pressure on the robotic market. The other trend is that automation volume is going up and up and up. So the more robots you produce, the cheaper they get. And then there is a lot of competition as well. So you see in the forklift category, automated forklift, I know of 200 different companies that can provide an automated forklift. So there's quite a lot of competition. There's price pressure and the fast-growing market, so all of that leads to the cost of the machine going down and down and down. So in the total cost of operations, what you're left with is the cost of sort of managing the system and running it, and that is now starting to improve. Okay, so speaking for my own product, we try to make it really, really quick to deploy the product. We're talking about a day. And we try to make it so that you can reprogram it yourself. The operator can easily reprogram it, so you don't have a dependency on an expert in the same way. So that means your ongoing cost of owning and running the system is also going down. And that makes it, in my mind, the no-brainer. So of course you want the automation, yeah?
You're saying it's a no